Thank you, everyone, for coming and joining another episode of the Roundtable. Today, we're going to have Aki on to talk about DLC Link and also Shill Bitcoin. So it'll be a great conversation. Um, Feel free to come up if you have any questions, um, and message us if you have any questions also. But yeah, looking forward for this great talk and definitely want to get everyone as involved as possible. So we can start off by Aki giving a quick introduction to himself, and then we can kind of take it from there.
Great, great. And thanks again for having me on. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Just to kind of keep it short, I'm an entrepreneur. I was a software engineer, a VC, etc., but I got into entrepreneurship 10 years ago, worked at a distributed database company when it was whole big data thing was starting out. And then I founded an AI marketing tech company, which I led for 8 years called MarketMuse, and basically worked with some scientists and pioneered a new way of using AI and machine learning to optimize content for SEO and for publishers. And that became, successful company. It's still around, and all that. But I wanted to step away and build. I really enjoy building products that help society and building products that take a, kind of an academic invention and turn it into a real usable product. And so I came to crypto almost 2 years ago, and basically found this invention called discrete log contracts that enable that enable Bitcoin to be controlled by smart contracts like Ethereum, and are building a company around it. And so this whole voyage has taken me down taken us. We've got a team working on this, taking us down the path of what is the relevance of Bitcoin today, what's the future of Bitcoin versus ETH. I mean, you name it, we've heard. And of course, how can Bitcoin be used in DeFi? Should Bitcoin be used in DeFi? Should there be DeFi on Bitcoin? And kind of what is the utility of Bitcoin overall, and what does the future hold? So really excited to unpack some of those perspectives today.
Nice. Yeah, I've always loved hearing more about like building on Bitcoin, DeFi on Bitcoin. So definitely looking forward to hearing more about that. To give a little bit of background to myself too, I am head of labs at Momentum Six, the VC fund behind the Illuminati, and also M6 Labs. I feel like I don't always tell people that when we hop on here, but feel free to follow me for great content, but also just follow our pages and follow our newsletters. Ali is on board here too. You can give a quick introduction to yourself also, and then we can get started.
Yeah, I was just recently introduced to Zero X Illuminati, and I'm starting to co-host a few of these spaces. And I've been working with Kadem for a few months now, and then also M6 Labs behind the scenes as well. But with no further ado, let's kick it off.